How to reduce financial stress. Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we will share with you some of the effective ways to reduce financial stress. If you're into these kinds of videos, then keep on watching. You are not alone if you are concerned about money. Many of us from all over the world, from all walks of life, are dealing with financial stress and uncertainty at this tough time. Financial stress is one of the most prevalent stresses in modern life. Whether it is caused by a loss of employment, growing debt, unanticipated costs, or a combination of causes. Even before the coronavirus pandemic and its economic impact, research indicated that 72% of Americans are anxious about money at least some of the time. Because of the recent economic troubles, even more of us are now suffering financial difficulties and hardship. Financial troubles, like any other form of overwhelming stress, may have an impact on your mental and physical health, relationships, and general quality of life. Money problems may have a negative influence on your sleep, self-esteem, and energy levels. It can leave you feeling furious, humiliated, or afraid, intensify pain and mood swings, and even raise your risk of depression and anxiety. Financial stress might potentially lead to suicidal thoughts or actions in the worst-case scenario. But no matter how bleak your position appears to be, there is hope. By confronting your financial issues, you may discover a route out of the financial quagmire, reduce your stress, and take control of your finances and your life. What are the effects of financial stress? Insomnia or other sleep problems. Worrying about overdue debts or a loss of income will keep you up at night more than anything else. Weight gain or loss. Stress can affect your appetite, forcing you to overeat or skip meals in order to save money. Depression. Living under the shadow of financial issues may leave anybody feeling depressed, despondent, and unable to concentrate or make decisions. People who are in debt are more than twice as likely to suffer from depression. Anxiety. Money may serve as a safety net. Without it, you may feel exposed and nervous. Worrying about outstanding debts or income loss can cause anxiety symptoms such as a racing heart, perspiration, trembling, or even panic attacks. Difficulties in relationships. Money is frequently recognized as the most prevalent source of conflict between spouses. Financial stress, if left uncontrolled, may make you angry or irritable, cause a lack of interest in sex, and erode the foundations of even the strongest relationships. Headaches, gastrointestinal issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease are all examples of physical disorders. Money issues may also induce you to delay or avoid seeing a doctor in nations where healthcare is not provided for free. Here are some effective ways on how you can reduce your financial stress. Talk to someone. When you're dealing with money issues, it's easy to bottle everything up and attempt to do it alone. Many of us regard money to be a taboo issue, one that should not be discussed with others. You may be uncomfortable discussing how much you make or spend, ashamed of any financial mistakes you've made, or humiliated about not being able to care for your family. But burying your feelings will only make your financial situation worse. In today's economy, where many individuals are struggling, you will likely discover that others are considerably more accepting of your difficulties. Not only is chatting face-to-face with a trusted friend or loved one a known stress reliever, but honestly discussing your financial concerns may also help you put things in perspective. Keeping your financial troubles to yourself simply exacerbates them until they appear overwhelming. Simply sharing your concerns with someone you trust might make them appear a lot less daunting. Getting professional advice. Depending on where you reside, there are a variety of groups that provide free counseling on financial issues, such as debt management, budgeting and adhering to it, finding a job, negotiating with creditors, and claiming benefits or financial aid. Getting practical counsel from an expert could be a good idea, whether or not you have a friend or loved one to talk to for emotional support. Reaching out is not a show of weakness, nor does it indicate that you have failed as a provider, a parent, or a spouse. It simply implies you're intelligent enough to know that your financial position is giving you worry and that it needs to be addressed. Opening up to your family. Financial issues tend to affect the entire family, and seeking the help of your loved ones can be critical in turning things around. Even though you take pleasure in your independence, keep your family informed of your financial condition and how they may assist you in saving money. Although, to be honest, this may depend from family to family, but it is something to consider when you're caught in financial trouble. Something you can try is to set aside regular time to enjoy each other's company, unwind, and forget about your money troubles in the meantime. Walking at the park, playing games, or exercising as a family does not have to be expensive. It may help relieve stress and keep the entire family cheerful. Make a financial inventory. If you're trying to make ends meet, you may believe that leaving invoices unread, avoiding phone calls from creditors, or ignoring bank and credit card statements would relieve your stress. However, rejecting the truth of your circumstance will only make matters worse. The first step in developing a strategy to tackle your financial troubles is to track your income, debt, and expenditure for at least 1 month. A variety of websites and smartphone applications can assist you in keeping track of your money in the future. Or you can go backward by collecting receipts and checking bank and credit card statements. Make a strategy and stick to it. Financial stress can be caused by a variety of different money concerns, and there are an equal number of viable solutions. The solution to your individual situation may be to live on a tighter budget, decrease the interest rate on your credit card debt, limit your internet spending, apply for government benefits, declare bankruptcy, or find a new job or other sources of income. If you've taken stock of your financial condition, eliminated discretionary and impulsive spending, and your outgoings still continue to surpass your income, you have 3 options: improve your income, reduce your spending, or do both. Making a strategy and following through on it will be required to achieve any of these goals. Make a monthly budget. Whatever your strategy for resolving your financial issues, creating and sticking to a monthly budget will help you stay on track and recover control. Include in your budget your everyday costs such as food and transportation to work, as well as monthly rent, mortgage, and utility payments. If possible, attempt to account for unforeseen costs such as medical copay or prescription price if you become ill, or the cost of automobile repairs. Set up automatic payments wherever feasible to assist guarantee that bills are paid on time and so that you can avoid late payments and interest rate increases. Spending should be prioritized. If you're having difficulties meeting your monthly costs, prioritizing where your money goes first will help. Feeding and sheltering yourself and your family, as well as keeping the power on, are examples of requirements. Continue to seek methods to save money. Most of us can find something in our budget to cut to help us make ends meet. Review your budget on a regular basis and seek methods to save costs. Get your feet moving. Even a small amount of daily exercise can help relieve stress, enhance your mood and vitality, and raise your self-esteem. On most days, aim for 30 minutes, which can be broken up into brief 10-minute spurts if necessary. Practice a relaxation technique. Take some time each day to unwind and give your mind a rest from the continual anxiety. Meditating, breathing exercises, and other relaxation techniques are fantastic ways to decrease stress and bring balance back into your life. Sleep. Tiredness will simply add to your tension and negative mental habits. During this stressful period, finding techniques to enhance your sleep will benefit both your mind and body. Consume nutritious food. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids will assist maintain your mood while also increasing your energy and perspective. And you don't have to break the bank to eat well. There are methods to eat well on a budget. When you're tormented by money worries and financial insecurity, it's tempting to fixate on the disadvantages. While you don't have to pretend everything is fine, you can take a moment to appreciate all the good things in your life right now. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload something new. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.